Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is Áshłééh, Áshłééh, which means I'm making it. Áshłééh. Now, this is a word that can be used to say a lot of different things in the Navajo language. You can use it to say a lot of different things. It is a very versatile word. Tonight, I'm going to be using a lot of English and Navajo words together for the examples. Currently on the Navajo reservation, a lot of people use both English and Navajo words together when they talk in Navajo. So the examples that we're using, they're common phrases. They're basically how people talk. This is where Navajo language is going, mixing both English and Navajo words. And by using the examples that I'm showing, you'll be able to speak Navajo almost immediately. And you'll be able to get a feel for how the Navajo language is used. For these examples, try to keep in mind the basic Navajo sentence structure, which puts your object first, your action in after that, followed by the verb. Object, action, verb. And I'll give you some examples of how this works out. If you're new to YouTube, make sure that you have your annotations button turned on so you can see the captions for these examples. The first example. If you want to say, I'm making some coffee, you can say coffee tla Áshłééh. Coffee tla Áshłééh. The object being the coffee. There's no action really in this one, but your Áshłééh is the verb. Tla, that's in the middle, basically just means some in Navajo. So when you say, I'm making some coffee, you say coffee tla Áshłééh. If you want to say, I'm downloading some songs, songs will be the object. Your action, that what you're doing is goes after that, which is downloading, and the verb at the end is Áshłééh. So you would say, songs tla download Áshłééh. I'm downloading some songs. Songs tla download Áshłééh. Songs tla download Áshłééh. If you want to say, I'm answering the phone, you can say, phone answer Áshłééh. Phone answer Áshłééh. And again, you can stick in the Navajo word for phone, which you learned in a previous example. Béésh hane'é, answer Áshłééh. I'm answering the phone. If you want to say, I'm closing the door, you can say, door close Áshłééh. Door close Áshłééh. I'm closing the door. That's how people talk. If you want to say, I'm recharging my phone, you can say, Shiphone recharge Áshłééh. Shiphone recharge Áshłééh, where the object is your phone, the action is recharge, and the verb Áshłééh is at the end. Shiphone recharge Áshłééh. Again, you can stick in the Navajo word for phone. Shibéésh hane'é, recharge Áshłééh. If you want to say something like, I'm checking my email, email being the object, checking it being the action, and Áshłééh being the verb, you would say, email check Áshłééh. Email check Áshłééh. I'm checking my email. If you want to say something like, I'm requesting songs from KTNN, songs let request Áshłééh. Songs let request Áshłééh. I'm requesting some songs. If you want to say something like, I'm turning on my computer, Shicomputer on Áshłééh. Shicomputer on Áshłééh. Or if you want to stick in the Navajo word for computer, which was another previous Navajo word of the day, Shibéésh on Áshłééh. Or if you want to say, I'm turning off my computer, Shicomputer off Áshłééh. Or Shicomputer shut down Áshłééh. Or Shibéésh shut down Áshłééh. You can use a lot of different ways. If you want to say something like, I'm making some announcements, like if you're talking to a public crowd and you're like, excuse me, but I want to make some announcements. Announcements tla Áshłééh. Announcements tla Áshłééh. If you're busy at work and you're saying, I'm making some money, or I'm making money, Beso Áshłééh. Beso Áshłééh. And again, it's best to see the annotations for this video if you want to see the subtitles. So, the annotations on anle I'm sorry, I skipped ahead. You'll learn the word anle in another example. But yeah, make sure that your annotations are turned on. This word Áshłééh can be used a lot of different ways. I'll be giving a lot of different examples of how it can be used, but it's a good starter. So practice some of these words. Practice ways you can say different things using these examples. If you need some further clarification, feel free to ask me. Make a Navajo friend, and they can show you how to use this word Áshłééh in a lot of different examples. But we're going to build up from this to where you can say a lot of different things. But this word Áshłééh is very, very versatile, and you can say a lot of different things with this word. And it's a good starting point. So that's tonight's Navajo word of the day. Áshłééh. Áshłééh. Have a good evening.